everyone, I will start with the reindeer ornament, and I have this cardboard from the canned cat food, which makes my cutting easier, but you can draw a circle using a cup or a bottle, because we need 2 circles and 2 ears. On one side I will draw a mouth and I will use a button as a nose and fix it in place with glue. For the eyes I have this white foam that is sticky on one side. I will use a black marker to draw the eyes. Then I will glue the ears. And at this point it looks more like a piggy than a reindeer, but it doesn't matter. I made 2 horns out of wire and I will wrap this festive yarn around them, and then I will glue everything together. For the next one I will make a star out of cardboard and yarn. So the point is to cover all the cardboard with yarn. For this one you will need the cardboard from a toilet paper roll or kitchen roll, or like I have here from wrapping paper. I will cut 13 circles of 1 cm wide and glue them together. There are a lot of different ways that you can play with these circles, so in the same way you can make a butterfly or just get creative. make a star out of paper. There are a lot of tutorials about this that you can check out, but let me know in the comments down below if you want me to make one. And these are some paper cardboard ideas for Christmas tree ornaments. I hope you enjoyed it and you'll try it at home. Bye!